What is up, YouTube? Have you heard of TikTok? I am willing to bet you probably have. It's the latest craze. Last year, before the election, Trump wanted to shut it down because it's run by China or whatever. Uh, and of course, the biggest video website on the planet, YouTube, which is owned by Google, well, they're not too happy about TikTok. And so basically, they've realized that they need to do something about it. And their answer is YouTube Shorts, where they're encouraging people to do short videos similar to what you have over on TikTok. It's become a very big thing for them. They're really pushing this really hard. And now you can actually take advantage of this in order to build yourself a much bigger following over on YouTube. It's a brand new thing. I'm just learning about this myself. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Shortify. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can sound as boring as well. The HR guy from my old company talking about teamwork and team building and stuff like that. And by the way, there's a reason I'm talking about that. I'll tell you about it when I tell you about my custom bonus, because you're going to love my custom bonus. But seriously, anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? Every time? Do you know how irritating that guy is all the time? Yuckity, 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 over and over and over again. Crap, 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 crap. Bart, get a life. Seriously. Anyway, but if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give you a tip. My head's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on Lovely Mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. Who can get angry at her? She's a sweetheart, seriously. Anyway, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Shortify from my friends Dan and Frankie. This is a really cool course. They also have some software involved. I'm more interested in the course, to be perfectly honest, than the software. The software is cute. The thing that really impressed me, though, was that they've come up with a brand new idea for YouTube that's really going to help them build a following on YouTube. And this is something completely different that I haven't seen this done before. Very fresh, very new. Really liking this concept. Now, I do want to show you the members area, but I also want to tell you about my customers, because I have the best customers you're ever going to see. I just got my hands on a brand new set of courses. These are really, really high-end courses that I've never given anybody before. They cost me a small fortune to have developed. I've got them ready to roll. I've been uploading them all day to YouTube. They are now ready to go. There's 25 of them. They're all fresh, brand new courses. And the reason I mentioned, by the way, if you were watching the beginning of this video, one of them actually is about team building, which I kind of found funny. But there's a lot of good stuff. You can see a list down below this video. If you look in the description, you'll see a list of all 25 courses, what they're on. They're video courses. They're high quality courses. These are not, your typical junk that somebody downloads off of a PLR website, for free. These things cost me a ton of money, and you're really, really going to love these courses. These are going to help you so much with building a business and really having that entrepreneur mindset. So I'm really, really loving these courses. I know you're going to love them. Now, I do want to show you one thing. Right now, Shortify is $17, but I'm going to show you how to get it for $9.95. Basically, just try to exit. Okay. See if it's going to let me do this. Maybe I got to go and refresh the page. Okay, we're going to try to exit now. There we go. And it's going to offer you this, not quite a 15% discount, to be honest. It's actually going to be $9.95. It's going to click here. It's going to actually open up this new page. Get Shortify with that discount, but make sure you go to the original page, okay? Because basically, if you don't go to the original page, then basically you're not going to be able to get my bonus. And if you get it for free for some reason, I don't think it's really for free. I think they give you like something limited for free. You're also not going to get my bonus. You have to get it at least with the discount version. And you have to click here to claim your discount, and you'll see it's going to go to Warrior Plus, and you'll see it costs $9.95 as opposed to $17. Now, let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here they do have an app that's going to help you to find some Creative Commons videos that you can actually cut down and use. So that's kind of done for you. What I was really excited about was the course actually, though, explaining to you why this works and how well it works, that you're able to actually start making real money off of YouTube, because of the fact that YouTube wants to basically take back some of the traffic that TikTok has been siphoning off from them. So to me, this was really, really exciting, really fresh, something brand new. And I think it deserves something fresh or brand new in the form of 25 brand new courses that I've never given anybody before. You probably haven't seen them anywhere. I spent a small fortune for these courses. Now I'm giving them to you for free. It's my bonus. Nobody else is going to have them, and you're going to be able to get them for free when you grab this from me. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip as the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, like seriously, you tip my hat. I'm really excited. Whenever I find something brand new, something fresh, that gets me excited. I love it. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.